Oh my god, me too. Well, what should I do? Well, what should I do today? Day. Why do I feel really different? I guess. Wait a minute, guys. One sec. I need to do something. Now it's better. Bye. Bye. Wait, please. Wait, who's that last time? Well, what should I do then? Duck! Oh my feet! Wait, there's a gun. He. I have an idea. Shoot! It's just a hook gun. I'm cooked. Well, at least what's the use? Well, oh wait. Welcome. Oh, well, at least what we'll do. 3D printing area. Down 3 brick stairs that are freeze. Wait, what are you doing? Welcome to the test subject. Welcome, test. Oh, okay. Wear the snow jacket, and this snow helmet too. Wait, why? And don't forget to use boot as protection boots and some dark gloves for an elbow pads. Oh my god, Etsu! Since this is as I would scream. Hey. Where this? Oh my god, what? For the safety, for aperture science. No, oh, aperture science, I know this. But where's the bottom cup? I guess I still don't care about this thing. Step up to the new whole grounds. Oh my god, I almost down my feet. Try again. Okay, I will help you this time. Whoa. Thank you, GLaDOS. Wait, thank you. GLaDOS, I guess? No, I'm not GLaDOS. I am Sogos. What in the mother road is this? Yeah, we're actually not Aperture. I'm hating that sound. Oh, finally, a human speaking. Welcome. And I guess, wait, what are you doing? Stop! This is a fixed rope wall. Wee! Whoa, I'm pretty scared. Yo. Whoa, guys, that was pretty simple. Well, what should I do at least? Haha, that was pretty fun, right? Yeah, it's pretty fun. Decent fun. Okay, test number two. Test your intelligence. I'm testing for your awareness. In 3, 2, 1. Brutus Hill, we go! Oh, that was pretty safe. What does this do? Ah! Oh, I broke the what? Well, wait, I guess that's why. Ooh. Freeze. This person has made to interface, clearing the breeze. Let's make. Whoa! Ow, my feet. Welcome. Yeah, I already know I'm so good, but actually, here's your first ever and ever cross. We are experiencing. Num. Let me test your intelligence. Okay, I guess. Here's is a crossbow. Whoa! A crossbow the top of my whole size? That's pretty cool. Shoot all of these subjects. Wait, no, I don't repeat. Shoot of both of these subjects.